Good morning. This is Mornings in the Shop, May the 6th. I'm finishing up a dovetail jig. I made this out of this is a prototype. So you make prototypes to try it out and make any alterations. And then what I done, I found it was real wide, and I cut it off. That seemed to make more sense while I was laying them out and whatnot. And so what I done, once I felt like I had it where I wanted, and I laid out a few dovetails, and I think this is going to work good. I made me keep forgetting my tape. So I decided I was going to make this. Actually, I made it a little shorter, which I think I got something here. So I got me a set of dovetail markers, 6-to-1 and 8-to-1. But what I was going to do this morning is, let me pull y'all around here. I don't know if y'all, but I need to set that thing up. I've told y'all about my rate alarm saw, haven't I? It is actually more accurate than that, force cut 90s. Rate alarm saw, it is fine for me in my shop cutting 90-degree bends, 90-degree perpendicular. The thing about it is, it was designed to do this and do that and do this. Some of that stuff I would never, ever do. This is a 9-to-1. If y'all can see that. I like the narrow pins. Then a 9-to-1, there it is. All right, just think if that was 1 inch. That would look good. So I'm thinking the longer you go on a 9-to-1, the better off you are. Better off you are. So what I need to do, they make me some scrap wood bends, don't I? Scrap wood bends. That might be a project. Does it not make sense to a project to do that you actually need? It makes sense to me. But I need to come up with some pictures on them tops. Just while I got it up, I'll go ahead and do that. But I forget now how I done this. It's been a little bit since I've done it. I need some kind of way to. Oh, okay. This is gonna be fine. I will need to get me a couple clamps. This picture seems to do very well. And that makes sense. You got to catch their eye. If you know what I mean. You got to catch their eye. Catch their eye, then keep them entertained. That's the part. To me, we need to be learning woodworking, if you know what I mean. That's what floats my boat, if you know what I mean. Turns my crank. I love that. Whenever I was doing this, and I went to school when I was in high school and did, sorry about this, and I should have had all this laid out. But it's hard to think of everything, if you know what I mean. But what happened when I got out of school, my dad did some, but he was a mechanic. My grandfather, he was more of a carpenter, worked at a sawmill the last part of his career. But the thing about it is, what turned my crank is not batching out a bunch of second-class crap. Never was something I was interested in. However, I was more in the fine woodworking. Took a long time to get any count at it. I'm not saying I'm the best in the world at it now. However, that's when you're done. And when you're done, and the people see this thing, or whatever you've done, for the first time, and it's the jaw dropping, the first impression they see of that, and they just, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes, sir, that's what I am talking about. To give somebody a gift, and that thing, knowing that they ain't nothing like it, and it's to the quality that that anybody would be proud of. Now, for making money at that, unless you die or become an artist, be considered an artist at what you do, you can't make as much money as you can by batching out a bunch of junk, if you know what I mean. So, what I'm doing here is I'm going to take a picture of this, and sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. I don't know. But I know I got a shadow right there. That ain't no good. I don't know how I need to do that. So this is the part I'm really not good at. I've done some photography. You can cheat the light here and there, but on the video it's a little bit different. Well, I think that's going to do it today. I really enjoyed the mornings in the shop. This is kind of a warm-up to the day. I aired some of these and had some good response to this, and very good. I mean, you know. But when I left, come down here this morning, I got 434 subscribers. And it's about 1,470 watch hours. So if you do the math, see, you got to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Okay, I'm getting real close to 44% of the way. So I'm approaching halfway on the subscribers, excuse me. Now on the watch hours, which I thought was going to be the hardest thing to do, 1470 is about 46.5%, something like that. It's not quite 47%. So it's actually just a little ahead of the subscribers, which before the yo-yo thing, when things changed, I had the subscribers and no watch hours. Well, that tell me that nobody's watching the videos. I mean, they run by and check it out for a minute and gone. Well, what it's telling me now, they're beginning to watch my videos. And I know it's because I'm getting more comfortable and I'm finding my groove here. And it will continue to get better, I know, the more I do it. Because it's like anything you practice at, it gets better as you go. And I'm looking for this to get better, but I might have to come up with something with that shadow. That ain't. Well, I'll tell you what, hold on a second. The shadow left, didn't it? Well, let me take that picture right there and we'll see what we got going. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, so y'all have a wonderful day.